Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing this crochet passion twist transformation. I went from twisted to untwisted. I love how it looked. Alright, so we're going to get right into it. All you need to do is, all you need are your fingers, a pair of scissors maybe for the end if you have some trouble, but all I am doing is unraveling each twist. That's it. I'm not using any mousse, any oils or anything extra. I literally just unravel the hair and that's all. I'm not fluffing it either because I don't want it to like frizz up on me, and it really, you don't need to fluff it because it's perfect as it is when you unravel it. So that's all I'm doing. I'm unraveling each one, and that's it. So I'm just going to stop talking and allow you to watch the rest of the video. I love this. Now this I love. Oh my goodness. Look at the difference it makes when you just unravel the twists. Yes, yes. Okay, so again, like I said, I just unraveled each one. I didn't really try to fluff it or like mess around with it. I just unraveled it and that's all I did. And it looks like this. I really like how this looks. I think the back may be a bit too long, so I may go in and just trim to just shape it slightly. But I love it, I really do. So let's try and shape this a little bit. Okay, so that's it. I love how I can get another style from this. I would suggest if you do yours, you can wear it twisted for a couple of weeks and then unravel it before you take it out so you don't waste that big hair, don't care style. So that's it for this video, nice short video for you guys. If you like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out when I post out new videos every single week. And also give me a like so I can know that you like to see this sort of content. Alright, so my next video, I'll see you later. Bye.